Alone diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom, I gotta plant this food so my future
Welcome
doesn't
back,
look
welcome
blue.
back,
Keeping it in the
welcome back,
family,
y'all.
cause we gon'
Salon
have to
Diva
eat and
V in the
understanding.
place to
Avoiding
be,
pesticides when
my
we grow,
garden.
avoiding grocery stores and picking my food right here at home.
So I thought I was recording again. So we put one green onion right here, and we put a kale right here. And then we're gonna put another kale over on this side over here. So I'm planting lots of kale, lots of lettuce, because I plan on making smoothies and eating healthier this upcoming season. Then we're gonna put the green onion. Look at the roots on the green onion already. I just put these in here. I'm gonna put that right here. And y'all hear them birds in the background? They're probably plotting right now as I'm planting on what plants they're gonna try to eat first. But I got something for them this year. All right. So we have another kale right there. So we might as well just put I want to put a kale right here. Yeah, let's put a kale. Yeah, there's no room. So today, y'all, I have some more peppers that I'm going to plant, and I want to say this is the paprika pepper, just the red pepper, red bell pepper, red pepper, whatever you want to call it. And I had to put some diatomaceous earth down in that section right there because I've seen some ants going back and forth. As a matter of fact, I still see them, so I'm gonna put some more right there, and I'm just going to right here. Put him in just like so. And what I'm going to do is put that dirt, that soil right there for another pepper. And so what is this? I think this is a kale, but this is another pepper right here. So I should have put that over there. So I'm gonna come between these two right here, and I'm gonna put this other pepper in here. Ooh, that went in there perfectly. So you guys, I cover my plants when I'm transplanting them with the cups to try to prevent them from having as much stress as possible from being transplanted. All right. There's another pepper. This one, I think that's kale. This is lettuce, and these are two more of the paprika peppers. And this is mint right here. So what we're gonna do is move these out of the way. I did break it. And split them apart. So I'm growing lots of peppers because I plan on harvesting lots of peppers. I'm also sticking to the peppers that I know my family is going to eat, and my kids love jalapeno peppers just as much as my husband. Okay, so that was 3 more peppers that we added to this bed. And we're going to add the lettuce over into this bed over here. So what I did was I came over to this bed and I pulled out all of the dead, dying lettuce that was in here and the weeds that was growing in here, and just left I don't know if that's lettuce, and I think that is, but so we're gonna take these, and of course I just wrote lettuce on there. What else would I write? So I'm gonna take this one, and I want to say, oh, this is like 2. Let's see if I can space them out. Ooh, might not be able to be able to do. I can. All right. So we're gonna put this one right here. Quick question. Should we be adding to and building up the soil that we plant lettuce in? I know lettuce has no nutritional value, but does the plant actually uptake the nutrients it needs from the soil? Put the other one right here. And then we have 2 more right here. And don't make me lie to y'all, I don't remember if this was romaine lettuce or the I planted 2 separate ones. One was romaine and the other one was, can't remember. So y'all comment below and let me know what varieties of lettuce you guys are growing and why. I'm looking to add more varieties to my garden this year. Okay. Not very much lettuce, but we do have some growing already in the container. So we'll water that in and check to see if I have any more lettuce to go in this container. Okay, y'all, welcome back. It's Salon Diva V in the place to be. So remember these fiddle leaf figs that I rescued from my neighbor up the street? I took majority of the leaves off of them, put them in the bottom, as you can see, watered it and set it next to the heater that was in the garage until it warmed up to see if I could save these plants. And guess what, y'all? Can y'all see that? It is growing back from the roots. So what I'm going to do, take this off. Y'all see that? It's green, baby. They had these out for the trash. I was going to bring them back inside, but they have a bunch of these I guess gnats, fruit flies, I don't know what you call them, flying around up in there, and I don't want to bring that inside. So what I'm going to do, this one is beasting out. This one is like, help me, I'm alive. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. So what I'm going to do is get some vermiculite and put on here so that I can kill away all of the fungus gnats, and I can bring these inside. Look at the pots. Look how pretty these pots is. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do. They still alive, y'all, so I'm gonna cut these stems down to hopefully see some green, and then start from there, and then we'll bring them inside. So I have my pruners here, so we're gonna see if I can do this with one hand, just to see how far I need to go. Either I'm a weakling or this stem is strong. So that stem is pretty strong, so I cut it down to here. That's what it looks like in the inside. So I don't know, we'll see. I don't want to go too far in there, but yeah, that's what it's looking like. And we're gonna do the same thing to these two. Okay, y'all, so this is what they look like now. Like I said, I'm gonna get some vermiculite, cover the top. They're already watered in. Not gonna give them any more water. And just let them grow. All right, y'all, so this is an update on my fiddle leaf figs. And yes, they are mine now because who's taking care of them? I am. Tree over here was with those figs, but I don't know what it is to even know what to do with it. I think it has given up the ghost. Yeah, see, I don't know. I did scratch it down here, but That's not telling me nothing. And there's no green growth at the bottom, so I don't know. We'll hold on to it for a little bit longer to see. Also, y'all, remind me to tell y'all about Minivan Chronicles Part 2. Yes, I'm in a minivan again. I'll tell y'all that in the next video. Salon Diva V in the place to be. My God, you know what it is. Peace.
Garden tools, especially a hoe, but be careful for snakes, rodents, possums, and big nut squirrels. Oh yeah, we got them. I'm gonna show how we do this with Salon Diva V in the place to be. And on my way out, I'm yelling peace.